4 months ago, I uploaded a video of the OpenCore Hackintosh guide, and it got over 1,000 views. So I decided to make a new revision one, and today we're gonna make the easiest and the simplest and the most effective way of an OpenCore vanilla guide. And we're going to set up the EFI folder. And sorry, how do you like this new camera? It's the EOS 250D. Just been unboxed on my YouTube channel lately. So do leave a comment down in the description. How do you like it? So first of all, here we are on the OpenCore website. It has now moved to 1400 GitHub.io. So here we can see we are doing for Ryzen, and yes, it does support all X570 boards and B550. So right here we're gonna grab proprietary. No, first of all, I'm gonna show you this cool little trick. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna go to my previous video right here and click on show more and download the EFI folder from last time. We're just gonna click on download and just wait for it to completely download. And for the time being, let's grab the OpenCore EFI folder, the new one. I recommend you to go for the release one. Just go for the release one. Okay, so now we are gonna get, what is this? Okay, so now we're gonna get proprietary. I'm just gonna click on code and download it. Save. And now we're going to do the same for download the zip for Gen SMBIOS. And now we are on the AMD vanilla patches file, and here you're going to click on raw, and here you're going to copy all of these texts right here and paste it into your notepad. B. I'm going to save it as patches dot paste. I'm going to save it as an all files document and say to your desktop and close this off. And now let's go to this page right here. And now I want you to go to your desktop and take all of these right here and put it into a single file. Let's call it Hackintosh. And let's copy all the files, call Hackintosh to the newest preview. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna extract this OpenCore release folder zip file here into a folder. And now also my previous EFI folder, you can find it in the link in the description below. Or yes, I'm going to take it. We're going to go, let me open it in a new window, the OpenCore release folder. And here we're going to go to EFI, boot, and we're going to copy this file to our Ryzen EFI folder. Right here, EFI into boot, and copy this file right here into here. Replace file into destination, and now we're going to go back to EFI OC, and now we're going to copy the OpenCore.EFI into our Ryzen EFI folder right here. Replace file into destination, and it's fully updated. And yeah. And now we're gonna just copy, go to bootstrap, and just move this file here into here, and replace file into destination, and we're going to go to drivers, OC drivers, and we're going to look for the same ones right here. Let's see, VBox, we don't have this here. OpenRuntimes, here fine, we're going to copy it down here, replace file into destination, audio TXE, copy, replace file into destination, APS loader, yeah, that's it, and into the kex folder. There's nothing here, so that's all the kex you're gonna need, but except for this one, Realtek R18111 kex. This is for your Ethernet card, just like for mine it's the X570 ROG STRIX motherboard, and it may vary depending on your motherboard, so you're gonna double check on that, and you're gonna go to this the OpenCore website again, and you're gonna go to gathering files, and you're gonna scroll down until you see Ethernet. Here you can see all the different Ethernet. And how do you go find it? How are you gonna know if your motherboard has a certain type of wireless port? So a neat trick to do that is you're just gonna go to your motherboard's manufacturer's website, as I'm doing here, ASUS. My motherboard's manufacturer's website. I'm going to click on this link. And now you're going to click on specifications, specification right here. Where is it? And you're going to scroll down until you see LAN, and here you can see it's the Realtek RLT111. It's fine. So we're going to be using this one right here, as we already are. And now what we're going to do is we're done with this folder. You can close it and close this out. Go to Hackintosh, and now we're going to extract proprietary master. But first, for use proprietary, now we're going to go to proprietary and run it as an admin. Yes, it's now being loaded, and now you're going to click, as you can see here, Python not found. So I'm going to go this here into Python 3. Okay, so now we're done with downloading Python. Now we're going to be installing it. You're going to click on add Python 3 to path and customize installation. And you're going to click all of these and click on next. Install and click on yes. We're going to click on close, and bear in mind this is going to work on any X570 motherboard and B250, so you don't need anything to do with that. So now let's launch it. And here you can see proprietary is launched, and now we're going to click on file, projects, Hackintosh, and we're going to go to Ryzen EFI OC, and click on our config.pls file. Here it is, and now what I want to do is, what you have to do right now is go to kernel, go to, where is it? You're gonna go to patch, right click and remove patch. Again, we're gonna go up to kernel. Now we're gonna open the patches.pls file, same as here, and it should be Hackintosh patches.pls. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click on this patch right here and select copy, go to kernel and add in paste. and paste it there, and there we go, it's pasted and we are ready to go. But first, what we're going to do to verify our OC snapshot, we're going to verify our OC snapshot like here. We're going to perform a clean OC snapshot right here. We're going to go to Ryzen EFI and select our OC folder, select folder, and it's just going to do its thing, and we're going to be back here. And now we're just going to have to do an additional step, which is adding I'm just going to close all of these, and now we're going to go to platform here, and here you can see all of these information about Mac. This should be at an iMac Pro 11 1x1. And now what you're going to do is we're going to go here into Gen SMBIOS, right click and extract to Gen SMBIOS, double click on that and run it. Here it is, and now I want you to click on generate SMBIOS. Click on number 3. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to me. It's just copying something, it's getting the Mac serial. And now you're gonna input enter, and here you're gonna click and you're gonna copy the serial number, copy and paste it to where's it? System serial number, paste, enter, again to both serial number. You're gonna go here and into MLB and you're gonna paste it into MLB, and the same for the system UUID. By doing this, you are going to avoid the risk of Apple getting the information of you using an Hackintosh system. And now what we're gonna do is we just have to save it, close this, close, and now move back to Explorer. And now what you're gonna do is take your boot drive as we created earlier. The video is going to be in the description below, and we're going to just plug in this drive. No, we don't want to format this drive. Negative boot F, and we're just going to replace this EFI folder that we just created. Where is it? Hackintosh. Right here, and Ryzen EFI, and we're going to copy this EFI here and paste it in our bootable USB drive. Control B, and replace file into its destination. And now we may remove our thumb drive, and there we go. It's fully done. There we have it. It's fully done, and now we can go. And now we can proceed to the next step, which is the post install. And you can read more of these in here, as you can see. Where is it? Post installation process. It is, and that's it. That's pretty much what you're gonna do. Have fun. You can see the post install, and yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe and enjoy your Hackintosh. See ya.